My dear student, I am going to explain exercise 3.4. The method is elimination method. So, solve the equation. Solve the linear equation by elimination method. Okay, the question number 1 is the elimination method means here we have two variables x and y. In this also x and y two variable. So in elimination method we eliminate either x or y. Okay. First we eliminate x, then we get the value of y. So how to eliminate? I explain you now. Look at the board. So here the coefficient of x is 1 and here the coefficient of x is 2. So we make this coefficient equal. Either we make these two equal or these two equal. Okay. So first to make x equal, we multiply by multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1, we multiply this 2x plus 2y is equal to 2 5 the 10. Okay. Now this equation by 1, 2 into x, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now we got these two equal. When these two equal and these two have same sign plus, then we subtract it. Subtracting when you subtract this, then it will be 0. So this sign will be plus. So minus plus 3 plus 2, 5y is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6, or y is equal to 6 by 5. Now we got the value y is equal to 6 by 5. Now putting this value in either equation 1 or 2, putting y is equal to 6 by 5 in equation 1, we get x plus, in place of y we put 6 by 5 is equal to 5, or x is equal to 5, we take this that side, it will be minus 6 by 5, or taking LCM we get 5 into 5 25 minus 6 is equal to 19 by 5. Therefore x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. It is our solution. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now question number 4. 2 and 3 for your homework. Okay. Now in 4, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Now we take here LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. By 2 you divide this 3 into x, 3x plus by 3 you divide 6, you get 2 into 2, 4y is equal to minus 1. Okay, or 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. It is equation number 1. Here the LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. By 1 you divide 3, you get 3x minus 3 by 3, 1 into y, y is equal to 3, or 3x minus y is equal to 3 into 3, 9. It is number 2. Now it is already the coefficient of x is 3 here, and here also x is coefficient 3. So in both cases we have same coefficient, that's why no need to multiply, we just subtract this. Okay, 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6, and 3x minus y is equal to 9. Both have equal sign, same sign, then we subtract it. Subtracting 3 minus 3 0, 4, this sign will be changed, minus into plus, so plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. This plus sign become minus, so minus 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 15, or y is equal to minus 15 by 5. By 5 you cancel this, you get minus 3. Now putting the value of y minus 3 in equation 1, putting y is equal to minus 3 in equation 1, we get 3x minus plus 4 into y, y is minus 3 is equal to minus 6, or 3x plus minus minus 12 is equal to minus 6, or 3x is equal to minus 6, this minus 12, that side it will be plus 3x is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6, or x is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. This is the solution. Okay. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions by elimination method. So, one question is, if we added 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half. If we only add 1 to the denominator, what is the fraction? So, what is the fraction question? So, let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Therefore, the required fraction is x by y. In our first condition, if we add 1 to the numerator, our fraction is this. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, then the fraction becomes 1. Now we solve it. X plus 1 is equal to 1 into y minus 1, or x plus 1 is equal to 1 into y minus 1, or x minus y, you take y that side, it will be minus y, and minus 1, you take this 1 that side, it will be minus 1, or x minus y is equal to minus 2. It is equation 1. Second condition, it is given that if we add 1 to the denominator, then the fraction becomes 1 by 2. If we add to the denominator, then it will become 2, or x is equal 2 into x is equal to y plus 1 into 1, or 2x is equal to y plus 1, or 2x minus y is equal to 1. It is equation number 2. In 1, the coefficient of y is 1, and here also coefficient of y is 1. So no need to multiply, we just subtract because both sign have same. Subtracting 2 from 1, x minus y is equal to minus 2, 2x minus y is equal to 1. When we subtract, this sign, minus sign become plus, so minus 1 plus 1 cancel, this become minus, minus 2 plus 1 is minus x, this sum minus, so minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, minus minus cancel, therefore x is equal to 3. Putting x is equal to 3 in equation 1, 3 minus y is equal to minus 2, or minus y is equal to minus 2, this 3 you take that side, it will be minus 3, or minus y is equal to minus 5, minus minus cancel, therefore y is equal to 5. So our solution is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5. Okay. Now question number 2. The question is, 5 years ago, Nuzi was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuzi will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuzi and Sonu? This is the question of age related question. So in such questions, we take first present age. Let the present age of Nuzi is x years and Sonu is y years. Now first condition, 5 years ago, from now 5 years ago, so 5 years ago Nuzi's age was x minus 5 and Sonu's age is y minus 5. So Nuzi was thrice as old as Sonu. Nuzi is 3 times older than Sonu. So this is Nuzi's age. This age is 3 times more than this age. If we make it equal, then we multiply here 3. So it will be x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15, और x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus this 5 that side to the plus. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Equation number 1. And second condition, ten years later Nouri's age will be x plus 10, Sonu's age will be y plus 10. So 10 years later Nouri will be twice. Nouri will be twice. This age will be twice more than this age. So if we multiply here 2, then these two ages will be equal. Now x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20, or x minus, you take this that side, 2y is equal to 20, that 10 you take that side, it will be minus 10, or x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10, it is equation number 2. Here also the coefficient of x is 1, here also 1, so we just subtract it, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10, and x minus 2y is equal to 10. When we subtract this, then the x minus s cancel, this minus 2y become plus, so minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1y is equal to, it is minus 10, it also become minus, so minus 10 minus 10 minus 20, this minus minus cancel, therefore y is equal to 20. Putting y is equal to 20 in equation 1, we get x minus 3 into y is 20, so we put here 20 is equal to minus 10. X minus 3 into 20, 60 is equal to minus 10. X is equal to minus 10, this will come plus 60 minus 10 is 50. Therefore, Nouri's present age is 50 years and Sonu's present age is y equal to 20, so 20 years. This is the solution. Question number 3. The question is, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Here the number is 2-digit number. So in such cases, we take first, let unit digit be x and tens digit be y. Therefore, the required number be, with the tens digit we multiply 10 digit y, so 10 into y plus unit digit we plus it. So it is our required number. So first condition, it is given that the sum of the digits this and this, x and y, the sum of x and y, x plus y, sum is 9. It is our first condition. Next, nine times this number is twice the number obtained by the reversing the order. 9 times this number, second condition, 9 times the number 9 into 10y plus x is twice the number obtained by the reversing the order. So the order, this unit digit will come to tens digit and tens digit to come unit digit. So 10x plus y, this 9 times is equal to 2 times of this number. 9 into 10, 90y plus 9x is equal to 20x plus 2y. 9x, you take this 20 that side, it will be minus 20x plus 90y, you bring this that side, it will be minus 2y is equal to, here remains 0. So minus 20 plus 9 minus 11x plus 90 minus 2, 88, y is equal to 0. It is question number 2. Here the denominator of x is 1, here the denominator of x is 11, and here it is 1, here 88. In such cases, we make equal either this or this. To make this equal, we multiply by this 11, the equation 1 by we multiply by 11. Multiplying equation 1 by 11, we get 11x plus 11y is equal to 99, and equation 2 by 1, and equation 2 by 1, equation 2 minus 11 into 1 minus 11x plus 1 into 88, 88y is equal to 0. Here this equal number have different sign, so we add here. Adding, when we add this 11 minus 11 cancel, 88 plus 11, 9, 99, y is equal to 99, or y is equal to 99 by this 99, we get 1. Putting y is equal to 1 in equation 1, we get equation 1 is this, x plus, in place of y we put 1, it will be 9, or x is equal to 9 this plus 1, we take this side, it will be minus 1, for x is equal to 8. Therefore, the required number is 10y plus x is equal to 10 into y is 1 plus x is 8, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18.
Ready, sir.
Question number 4. The question is, Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So here the total number of rupees is 25. Let the number of 50 rupees 50 be x and rupees 100 be y. So first condition, the rupees 50 and rupees 100, rupees 50 x numbers and rupees 100 y numbers. So the total number is x plus y is equal to 25. Equation number 1. And second condition, rupees 50, how many is x? So 50 into x plus 100 rupees y. So 100 y, the total rupees become 2000 rupees, 2000. It is equation number 2. Now to eliminate either x or y, we have to multiply. So here the coefficient of x is y 1 and the coefficient of x is 50. So this equation 1 we multiply by 50 and equation 2 we multiply by 1. Multiplying equation 1 by 50 and equation 2 by 1, we get 50 into x plus 50 into y is equal to 50 into 25. 5 5 to 25 kg 2 12. This equation by 1, 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Now we got the coefficient of x 50, this coefficient of x 50. So this become equal and both have same sign, plus sign. So in such cases we subtract this. Subtracting 50 minus 15 is 0, and this 100 is a plus sign, it becomes minus. So minus 100 plus 50 is minus 50y. This a plus sign, so it becomes minus and it is plus. So minus 2000 plus 1250, we minus it. So 10 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 2, 7. The greater number has minus sign, so it is minus. this minus minus cancel, or y is equal to 750 by 50, and this 0 0 cancel, 5 15 the 75. Now putting y is equal to 15 in equation 1, we get x plus y. Y is 15, so it will be 25, or x is equal to 25 minus 15. Therefore, x is equal to 15 minus 25 minus 15 is 10. So x is 50 rupees note. Okay. Therefore, number of rupees 50 is equal to 10, and number of rupees 100 is equal to 15. The total number is 25. So it is our solution.
Ready, sir.
Question number 5. The question is, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. So Sajita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Sushi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for the extra day. Here we have two type of charge. One charge is fixed and another is per day charge. Okay, so let the fixed charge be rupees X and extra per day charge be rupees Y. The first condition, Sajita paid for 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days. For first 3 days, she paid rupees X and she kept the book total 7 days. So for first 3 days she paid rupees X, then 7 minus 3 remain 4 days. So for 4 days per day Y, so for 4 days it will be 4Y. It will be rupees 27. Next, Sushi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. For 3 days rupees X, and for extra 5 minus 3 remain 2. So for 2 days she paid rupees 2Y is equal to 21. Here both X and Y have same coefficient 1 1, so we just subtract it because both numbers have same sign. Subtracting x minus x 0, 4 minus 2, 2y, 27 minus 21 is 6, or y is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Putting y is equal to 3 in equation 1, we get x plus 4 into y. Y is 3. So we put here 3 is equal to 27. Or x plus 3 into 4, 12 is equal to 27. Or x is equal to 27 minus 12. Or x is equal to 7 minus 2, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. Therefore, fixed charge is equal to rupees 15 and per day charge y is 3, per day charge is rupees 3. This is our solution. This is our solution.